The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
For old windows that always let in a chill, it may be time to replace them with new double pane windows that help retain heat and keep the home cooler during hotter weather. Weather stripping, weather foam, rubber tubing, or rigid gaskets can seal windows and frames internally, preventing chilly air from entering the home. You may also need to adjust the hinges. Plus, caulking around the outside of your window will fill gaps where chilly air would enter the home. And don't forget the doors. Check for light pouring in through the cracks of a door frame. Add weather stripping anywhere light seep through. Remember to check periodically if the door can open and close easily throughout this process.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert.